they're nice and toasty.
Yeah.
And all the
oh, that's awesome.
that's all the jackets they give them to keep them warm.
Yep.
Or flags.
The race. That's awesome. Good morning, guys. It's early.
4:30 to be
Yeah, the non-morning people are up before the crack of dawn. Super early. So we are here for the Disney Half Marathon. Is it open? And we need coffee. Do you think they have coffee? Do you have breakfast? We need breakfast. Let's see if we can at least find coffee this morning.
Can I get something? Can I get cereal?
Yeah, grab something. So the hotel actually has some stuff. Most important, they have coffee. I thought I was gonna have to go on a hunt this morning to find coffee. Because I know once you get over to the Disney Marathon, there's not a lot of options over there. I think sometimes they have a hot chocolate and possibly coffee, and I have cash, because I think they take cash only. But I was like, oh, I don't think Dunkin' Donuts was open this early, so I am super glad that they have the coffee, and it's ready to go. You're making your own waffles? Sweet. Nicely done.
You think that's good?
I think it's probably good. Whoa, look at that view. Walk outside to see the Orlando Eye this morning in all its, let me see, candy cane glory or Coca-Cola glory?
Coca-Cola.
You think it's gonna be Coca-Cola glory? Whew, it's a little chilly out this morning. Do you know how cold it is this morning?
500 degrees. Oh, right now. Below 500 degrees. There.
I don't think it's quite that cold.
Do you think so? Mom, can I tell you 5 different things? Like, I love coffee at Starbucks. They're really like, they're that good. And
It's really early.
I also like hot chocolate. It's very sugary, and I like it. And I also like sugar canes. Sugar canes are awesome. I love sugar canes. They taste so good. Can I,
So we're here at Epcot, and that was the start of the race. So we're not actually getting to see the runners take off, but we'll definitely be here to see some of the groups take off, start, and then of course, you know, the rest of the run. Hunter's a little excited this morning.
Who's not excited to sit?
So the sun came out and it warmed up a little bit. It's still pretty darn cold. It's still, I'm thinking, how cold do you think it is?
60. No.
Cold enough to blow smoke, right? No more smoke! But we're actually inside Epcot now. The race runs throughout some of the Disney parks, which is super cool. So we're actually inside Epcot now to watch some of the runners and cheer them on. And it's cool, the park actually hasn't officially opened yet. We're in the park before everybody else, which is always really fun. So this is seriously the cool. They have this whole crosswalk thing down to a science. So we're here in this little kind of like area, and then all these cast members over here are going to send the runners that way, and then we're all going to cross right here. Isn't that crazy? They have it down like to a science. So there they go. So now they're sending the runners that way. Which is pretty cool. And then all of us can go over here. Pretty cool, huh? Doing the fancy pants dance.
Losing my hat.
At Epcot with nobody around. This is kind of crazy. There's like nobody here. We're like here by ourselves. This is awesome. I think we need to do a dance party because I can hear the Disney Marathon music in the background. Can you hear it?
In just a few minutes, Epcot will officially open. And for your safety and the safety of others around you, we ask that you walk and feel free to take the time to enjoy each moment, and please do not run. The entire cast of the Walt Disney World Resort
It's
would like
opening,
to
Hunter!
officially welcome you to Epcot.
Just opened as we're leaving. That's awesome. We had so much fun watching the runners, you know, run through Epcot. No one was in there. That was so cool. But before we end our adventure for the Disney Marathon, we're actually going to hop on the monorail to head over to Magic Kingdom area, just so we can kind of see a really cool overview of the runners like leaving Magic Kingdom. So let's go do that real quick because that's going to be fun. Monorail here, we actually saw the very last runner. He was so cute. Did you see him? He was so cute. He was actually dressed up like Mickey Mouse. And I knew he was the last runner because he had all of the security bikers behind him. So talk about pressure. Amazing that he ran the race, but no pressure at all having all the security behind you pushing you to finish the race. But it was really cool. So that was the last runner. So you know what that means, Hunter. Food. Time for breakfast because we're starving. So hungry, cheering and watching the marathon. Yeah. So if you ran the race, congratulations. You guys are amazing.
Yeah, you guys are awesome. I can't do that. I gotta train for like months to do that.
Gotta pump yourself up.
Pump up. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we're off to get breakfast. Can you tell we're a little kooky? Got up 4 in the morning. We need some sustenance. Sustenance? Some protein. We need some food.
Love you all. Bye. Keep on dreaming.